This will be a video tutorial on how to highlight your mouse cursor in TechSmith Camtasia Studio. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Camtasia Studio here. Okay, I have Camtasia Studio opened up now, and I am in the middle of working on a video clip here. To highlight your mouse cursor in Camtasia Studio, the first thing you want to do is go over to the pane in the left-hand side, and you want to go over to where it says Cursor Effects, and you want to click on that. Now in this pane over here, it gives you many different styles of cursor effects. Probably the main one is this highlight right here. If I click on, I'm going to left click on this, and I'm going to drag it down to my timeline, down to the clip that I want to use it on. I'm going to drag it right down to here. And now as you can see in the video window here, you can see my mouse cursor has a highlight around it. In the pane off to the right hand side over here, you want to click on this last tab here. The first tab is your video clip, the second tab is your audio, and the third tab is your cursor. Now down below here, you can choose different styles of cursors by clicking on this drop down right here. You can choose different styles. Do you want to use a hand, arrows? I'm going to leave it on the cursor there. I'm going to click the drop down again to get rid of that. Now you could scale your cursor. You can make your cursor bigger or smaller. You could reduce the opacity of your cursor. I'm going to move this slider down. I'm going to leave it at 100%. And down below here, you can turn off or on the highlighting right in here with this toggle right here. Turn it off or on. The color of your highlighting, you can change the color by clicking this drop down right here. Say that I wanted to make it a kind of a teal blue. You could also use the eyedropper to change your color. I'm going to leave it at that. You can change the size of your highlight. You can increase the size, decrease it. I'm going to leave it about like that. And you can adjust the softness of it. I'm going to leave it about there. The opacity's up here. You can make it a little less transparent, a little more transparent, I mean. And now I'm going to move my playhead on my timeline down here to kind of show you what it looks like. Off to the left here, the pane, you have different types of highlights. You can use I'm going to click Control Z to get rid of that. I'm going to grab this magnifying. I'm going to left click. I'm going to drag it down on my clip. Now I'm going to move my playhead, and it kind of magnifies everything. Doesn't exactly go with what I'm doing here, but you could use a magnifying highlighter. I'm going to press Control Z to get rid of that. You could also use different options here. You could use a cursor spotlight. I don't really care much for that. I'm going to drag it down to my timeline. It kind of dims the area. It'll be useful for some things, but it kind of dims the area around your cursor. You can adjust the settings off to the right side here. But that is how you highlight your mouse cursor in Camtasia Studio. Thanks for watching.